The Ask For Me Group is a design company based in China's third largest city, Guangdong. It designs as well as organises the engineering and manufacturing of products for clients from Europe and now also an increasing number from China. When the Dutch design company first established in 2007, it was just a tiny workshop with only 2 designers. But as South China's design market flourished, the company quickly expanded to a middle-sized design studio with a dozen professional designers. Since its founding, the company has completed the design of 550 projects worldwide, from countries such as Holland, the US and Germany. In 2012, the turnover of the company amounted to 6.3 million yuan, which is just over $1 million. Bao Kok, the industrial designer and co-founder of Ask For Me Group, shared with us her story about the success of her company. The 37-year-old first came to China in 2005 to work for a Dutch company in Wuxi City of East China's Jiangsu province. Attracted by Guangdong's manufacturing advantages, Kok, who graduated from one of Holland's top design schools, then moved to the provincial capital Guangzhou to seek new opportunities.
By far the biggest turning point was when I decided to quit my job and to start my own design company. And that was in 2007. I decided to set up a company because I knew that there would be a good future in this, because there were so many requests for designs to be produced here. And I always wanted to be an entrepreneur.
As soon as Kok arrived in Guangzhou, she found that it was ideal for industrial designers like her. The city had the best availability of materials, services and knowledge for consumer electronic products. Located in the booming Pearl River Delta, Guangzhou is the largest city in South China. It's situated adjacent to Hong Kong and serves as a key national transportation hub and trading port.
I decided to move here because the possibilities of production here are more broad. So you have the injection molding and you have electronics, you have everything here. This is basically why. So the workshop, what they say China is the workshop of the world, it's very much focused here in Guangdong province.
Kok's opinion is echoed by her Dutch colleagues who also work here in China.
If you in China have an idea, you can follow it from the initial idea all the way to the final product and even into the sales channel. So I like the dynamics over here. I like the fact that everything is possible if you prepare it properly. So the unlimited possibilities, I would say that's the thing I think is attractive for China.
I think business-wise, I think it's very nice that you're so close to all the factories. We have a huge advantage compared to all the design agencies in Europe or US or wherever they are. We are so close to what we design, from a sketch on paper until production.
In the beginning, Kok's company started to do business by helping Western companies deal with local manufacturers in China. For design agencies like Ask For Me, being in China has an unparalleled advantage. The Dutch company not only understands Western design culture, but also knows how to translate it for the local manufacturers. Being close to factories, the designers are able to talk face-to-face with Chinese manufacturers during the entire process of product development. This way they're able to ensure that a product is manufactured precisely to the client's requirements. Therefore, the company helps its clients accomplish far more than design itself. It can virtually orchestrate the entire engineering and production process from start to finish.
First of all, the Dutch designers that we have, they are trained to do the whole integrated design process from the very first idea up to preparing for mass production. So we have all the knowledge about it, and then during the process we look for the right people to help to detail every step.
Over the past 6 years, Ask For Me designers have been able to design a wide array of innovative products, ranging from toys, lighting devices, small electronics, barbecue grills, Chinaware to home appliances, with some winning international design awards. This is a children's toy designed by Kok.
Basically, this light is already existing. It's an existing type of night light for children. But It is always with stars, and we were like, why do it have to be stars? Why don't we make some more fantasy figures? So this is a sea animal version. So you can see there are sharks and dolphins and jellyfish and sea stars. And the outer shape, this is I guess what you could call Dutch design, because it's minimalistic. It looks good for modern parents. They would buy it and they could give it as a gift to other young parents.
The product has been manufactured in Guangdong and was presented to the public at China's largest trade fair, the Canton Fair. It's been very well received by Chinese and overseas clients. Home appliances constitute another part of the company's design projects. This is a popular automatic cooker designed by the team.
So for this product, it's a home appliance. It's a cooker, and the Chinese manufacturer of it approached us to make a new design. And we started small, but at the end we turned out to change this whole model into this one. We just changed the whole shape. At the end we turned out to change the interface, because we mentioned like, oh, how is it used? And so the client mentioned like, make it more usable.
Following a stream of successful products, the company has also seen a steady growth in turnover.
The turnover has been, it's about, I think, 20% more each year. So it's growing faster than the amount of people, so I'd say that's a good sign.
Now with an expanding and successful business in China, Kosh said she's proud of her accomplishments here, yet believes she's only halfway in fulfilling her Chinese dream.
Yeah, my China dream is actually what I'm doing now. To develop products, to realize products here in China, in Chinese factories and in our own studio. The next step is that I want my company to grow bigger and become more famous, more worldwide known, especially here in this province.